Hello everyone, it's me Zina Sophie, and nothing is better than having a really nice shower in the morning. I prepared a cream cheese, peanut butter, strawberry jam sandwich because I love it so much with a cup of tea. And I thought, why not showing you my apartment in Hiroshima? Let's get started. Yeah, let's figure that out. Is it good? Yeah, it's somewhat good. So hello everyone, it's me Zina Sophie. I moved within 3 months, no that's a lie, within 2 months from Tokyo to Kumamoto where I had my training, and then finally to Hiroshima. I really love it. I'm so looking forward to show you around in the future, because right now we are in lockdown, golden week, so what else can you do than decorating your apartment and to show you around. But first I really have to take a bite. I just love it. I have to deal with it that I'm eating it now. Oh, it's so creamy and sticky. That sounds somehow wrong. Yeah, whatever. Let's tell you a little bit about the apartment. It's 20 square foot meters. Small. I have a super tiny kitchen, a super tiny, let's say, laundry room. I have a separate toilet to the bathroom, which is just amazing. I love it. And then I have like a somewhat of living room, bedroom room. There is a small area. I'm also definitely gonna show you that, which should be the bedroom, but it's like on a second floor. And I just thought, early morning, I'm always very clumsy, I'm sleepy, I just want to get out of bed, walk straight to the bathroom or to the kitchen to prepare my tea. And I really like that area, so it's really cozy and comfortable. But I thought, okay, I would like to change it into a friend's bedroom where they can feel comfortable when they visit me, or family when they visit me, because every time when my brother and I talking to each other on the phone, he's always like, oh my god, I saved so much money, I really want to come to Japan, but I can't because I'm not Japanese and they don't have a valid visa and it's corona and all that stuff, and I'm also like, and then we are both together in front of the phone cameras like, but anyways, I gonna show you around now. Let's get finally started. I gonna show you around, and I hope you have at least a little bit of fun. I'm sorry, I'm still, wearing slippers, and upper side looks good and the bottom is just like PJs, but I don't care because you are family. Like I said, let's get started. Kitchen. It's beautiful. Don't mind the stuff from yesterday. It's not big, but I tried to make it work. Almost no storage. Washing machine came with the apartment. Trash, don't mind it. Cleaning stuff, laundry basket, the entrance and exit. So yeah, it's like so big, but it's okay. It's for singles. My fridge, freezer, microwave, some food stuff, little bit of storage. Also don't like how it looks like because it's very messy. And that's my toilet. I bought this from Italy. It's a magnet because the entire bathroom is, it's a magnet basically. So you can take this off or on wherever you want to, and it's one of the best inventions ever. yeah, that's it for all. I hope you had a lot of fun to see my single bedroom apartment in Hiroshima or near Hiroshima. So it's just like 7 to 10 minutes away by train at the city center. And if you didn't do it already, don't forget to hit the notification bell, like, subscribe if you didn't do it already. And leave a comment down below, and we're gonna see us next time, probably in June, because I prepared a little something for you of what you can do when you come to Japan in the near future. Anyhow, you can't have anything, right? So gonna see you later. Love you. Bye bye. I really like the apartment, but one thing that I don't like is blurry windows, and you cannot look outside when they are closed. It'll be pretty bad in winter when it's cold and in summer when it's super hot, but I don't care because I need to look outside, so the windows will be always open, except I'll take